Hello, this is Hanyunpeng from HIT. In this talk, I will introduce our work Fashion SAMP. Let me introduce our work briefly. We focus on the pre-training stage in vision language tasks in fashion domain, comparing with general domain. In fashion domain, the fashion concept is an important perspective to describe the specific fashion item. The fashion features in fashion domain are fine-grained, and the description language for the fashion item are usually in attribute level. So, for the concept in fashion domain, we propose a concept layer with fashion symbols. For the attribute information of fashion item, we use prompt text with templates. For the model architecture, we use encoder and feature fusion model, and the pattern of the model architecture is widely used in VLP tasks. Let me describe our work in detail. The reason we chose VLP is that VLP performs significantly in many tasks, and we've only focused two improvements in fashion domain. The first is fine-grained fashion concepts. For these improvements, we propose fashion symbols. The second is fine-grained fashion features. For this, we propose attributes prompt. For fashion symbols, we summarize 9 fashion symbols, and all the fashion categories are mapped to these 9 predefined symbols by experts. All the mapping is following the rules. The first rule is body part. The second rule is the function of the fashion item. For the attributes prompt, we design 2 kinds of templates to cover 2 present formats of attributes. The first is enumerable attributes. In this kind of attributes, the information is key V, and the key is attribute name, the V is attribute value. We design the first templates for this kind of attributes. The second is binary attribute. In this attribute, the information is only the attribute value, so we add yes or no information. We design the second for the binary attribute. We use only structure for pre-training model. The most part of our work is pre-training stage. In order to learn fine-grained features, we make some improvements in model architecture. The first improvement is the input. Fashion symbols, caption, and prompt attributes are concatenated into integration text and are fed into embedding layer. The second is the adapter. Fashion symbols features are adapted to close to the adapted image feature by these two adapters. We use multitask in pre-training stage. We also design loss function fsys, and this function aims at measuring the vector distance from vision and language. For the evaluation of our pre-training model, we test our model in 3 kind of downstream tasks: category recognition and subcategory recognition, cross-model retrieval, I2T and T2I, image to text and text to image. The third is text-modified image retrieval. We also adapt our model to downstream tasks. For CR, SCR, and cross-model retrieval tasks, we only import the caption of the fashion item by following existing works. For TMIR task, we use the same image encoder twice to get the candidate image feature and the target image feature individually. We report the result in 3 kinds of tasks. Our method gets the best result in all 3 tasks. In cross-model retrieval, the improvement of our method in R1, I2T R1, T2I R1, and mean R1 is for about 8%. Our method also gets the best performance in CR and SCR task. In TMIR task, our method also gets a distinct improvement. For ablation study, PDP task brings an improvement for I2D task, just like this, as more fine-grained attributes are encoded into text side with prompt. The F6 task brings an improvement for T2I task, as the fashion symbol can capture the information from the text to the image. We also use GradCam to analyze the capability of semantics aligning from text model and vision model. Fashion SAP can pay proper attention to the whole region of the object rather than the sub-region, just like trousers, jacket, and leg. The upper is the whole region, the lower is the sub-region. Fashion SAP can also find all the positions, just like the pockets, the token pockets, in the attention maps rather than only one. So, fine-grained fashion concepts and attribute-level features benefits to VLP training. And in future work, diversified prompts will be helpful in fashion tasks as what the large language model shows. And more fine-grained symbols can be used to include more fashion items. That's all. Thank you.